Most people think a check engine light is just a suggestion until it turns into a $2,000 repair bill. Right now, your car's computer might be being lied to. A tiny sensor in your exhaust, the oxygen sensor, could be feeding your engine fake data, causing it to choke, shake, and literally melt itself from the inside out. The worst part? It doesn't always trigger a light on your dash until the damage is already done. If you ignore these signs, you aren't just losing 40% of your fuel economy. You're suiciding your catalytic converter. Today, I'm walking you through 7 trick symptoms that mean your O2 sensor needs replacing now. Starting with the subtle clues and ending with the one sign that means you're days away from a total breakdown. Welcome back to Car Care Fix, the channel where we make car problems simple, fixes easy, and maintenance stress-free. Sing 7. Failed emissions test. If you've been slapped with a fail at the inspection station, don't immediately blame the expensive catalytic converter. When an O2 sensor sends faulty data, the engine often runs rich, too much fuel. The exhaust becomes overloaded with hydrocarbons, $HC$, and carbon monoxide, $CO$, that the system simply can't scrub away. Sing 6. Rough idling or shaking. Does your steering wheel vibrate while you're sitting at a red light? When the air-fuel ratio is off, combustion becomes uneven. That shiver you feel in your seat is the engine struggling to maintain a steady burn because it's being fed the wrong instructions. Sings 5. Sluggish acceleration. If your car feels heavy or hesitates when you merge onto the highway, your O2 sensor might be lying to the computer. False rich signal. The $ECU cuts fuel, starving the engine when you need power. False lean signal. The $ECU floods the engine, causing it to bog down. Sings 4. Poor gas mileage. This is the silent tax of a bad sensor. A faulty unit often tricks the computer into thinking the engine is running lean, causing it to dump extra fuel unnecessarily. Replacing a bad sensor can improve your fuel economy by up to 40%. If you're visiting the gas station twice as often as usual, your O2 sensor is likely the culprit. Sings 3. Check engine light and codes. While a sensor can fail without a light, it usually triggers specific OBD2 codes. Keep an eye out for these. P0130, circuit malfunction. P0131/P0132, low or high voltage. P0133, slow response time. P0135/P0141, heater circuit issues. Sings 2. Engine misfires. When the fuel mix is drastically incorrect, the engine will stumble or jerk, especially under load, like climbing a hill. These misfires dump raw, unburned fuel into your exhaust system, which leads us to the most expensive problem on this list. Sings 1. Catalytic converter failure. This is the end of the road scenario. That unburned fuel from a rich running engine travels into the catalytic converter, where it ignites and melts the internal ceramic core. You'll go from a $150 sensor fix to a $1,500 plus total exhaust overhaul. If this video helped you, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to Car Care Fix for more easy car fixes and hidden maintenance secrets. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or want to see another repair video. Thanks for watching, drive safe, and I'll see you in the next one.